Hi, I'm Romeo Caparaso from Tax Accounting Adelaide. I run business networking events, and we every month discuss a different topic. This month we discussed improving your sales meeting conversions, and what business owners or professionals are doing in their sales meetings and how they're improving, getting more tips. And here are some of the tips that came out of the meeting. A fantastic session. The first one was to have a good preparation. Have a standard question base to do your great needs analysis on the client. If you've got a good needs analysis question process, that'll make you appear to be well organised, and you're asking the right questions, and that'll give confidence to your lead that you know what you're doing, and set you on your way to selling well to them and hopefully converting. Someone said they use soft statements, listening, giving them ample opportunity to be heard, sometimes complaining about competitors or previous people that have dealt with in your area. Address their concerns well, and use all the opportunities to introduce them to ways that you can add value and you can give them a solution to what they're looking for. An important one was that rather than give a convoluted list and schedule of prices or options, you give them a bottom line fixed quote for what basically will help them give them a really good solution. So give them the bottom solution and a bottom line figure, and what's included in that bottom line figure. If you've just got one bottom line figure and what's included, they're much more likely to take it than if they're confused and don't really know what they're getting, or got to compare different things. Have different available options in your sales process. Obviously try and sell your biggest package first. If that's not taken, then maybe reduce to lesser packages. Get simple things right in your sales process. Remind them of their appointment, send them an agenda maybe, give them directions to where you are, welcome them with a clean professional office, or present yourself well. Be on time if you're going out to them. Offer them a drink or coffee. Have testimonials in maybe your waiting area. Be able to answer common objections. So if you're not experienced with this, you're probably going to find that this you're going to get the "I'd just like to think about it" objection often. Normally when people say they just want to think about it, you should be trying to just expand on the reasons why they want to think about it. Just say, well, can I ask you some questions? What exactly do you think you need to think about? Did you like our price? Is our service what you expect? What would be more what you're expecting? Just try and get them talking, and uncover more of the genuine reason why they're hesitating, perhaps, to buying. A good sales meeting obviously should establish a good relationship, make them feel comfortable. Try to just genuinely be a nice person initially. Get along with them. Talk about other things other than business. Obviously identify the needs, which we talked about before. Offer the right solutions to them. Close on your offering, which fulfills an underlying motivation. So if you can understand what's motivating the customer coming to you, what exactly they want, what's going to make them their lives better if you give to them, and you can offer that, whether it's an inspiration, e.g. you could look better with this product, or remove their fear. With our solution you'll never have to worry about something again. Those things can help you close and give you a good sales presentation. The next point was to be able to defend yourself against competitor offerings. So if you know the difference that's unique and good about you compared to some a direct quote you may be up against, or someone else that you suspect they may be talking about, Just state the quality difference, additional service guarantees, testimonials, bonuses, anything which may distinguish you and elevate your quote to be, not just about price and taking away from just the price difference. Offer bonuses like they do in the ads or on internet business offerings. It really works. Often you may think it's something normal, so you may think, answering questions throughout the year is a normal part of your service, but if you don't say that, it may not be understood that is included in your service. So if you add that in, and just it may not have been mentioned by your competitors, so it gives you that difference. You can offer something like an ebook on solving your whatever problem. As I said here in the blog, there must be something in your business which is an easy giveaway that samples your brilliance, and it gives you that slight difference on a tight quote. If you do convert your close, the last point here is it's a great idea to follow through with what you've discovered in your needs analysis. Start solving those problems they wanted solved. Make sure you stick to the quote or the price that you've agreed on in the sales meeting. You're going to lose a customer if you don't stick to that. And also send a welcome email or a letter which covers your value quote and the solutions you're giving, which can overcome buyer remorse, which is when a client goes home after a conversion and rings you to cancel because they think, oh my god, I'm spending all this money, I don't know what I'm getting. Just make sure you reiterate the value of the service and what you're offering, and why it's different from maybe other offerings on the market. Thanks for listening to me. I'm Romeo Caparassa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. If you're looking to improve your new lead sales conversions, or in general improving your business or growing your business, we'd love to be your accounting solution and also accounting partner, and helping you grow as a business partner. We're Tax Accounting Adelaide, and you can call us on 8337 4460, or our website is taxaccountingadelaide.com. Thank you.